Today we are making spiced basmati rice with Spicytude Rice Pilaf Spice mix. We'll start by slicing garlic, green chillies and red onion. Put a pot over medium heat. Add olive oil to sear the spices. Wait 5 seconds and then add garlic, onion and green chilli. Keep stirring. Saute until the onions are golden brown. Now we are going to add water, pre-washed rice and salt to the pot and bring it to a boil. Once most of the water evaporates, stir one last time, cover the pot with a lid and lower the flame. After 3-4 minutes, add ghee and turn off the flame. The rice is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.